This guy really loved the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Turn left.
First and last.
Can't be two number ones, that'd be 11, Ricky Bobby. Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking test video of MXLS062. This is our 1999 Lexus LS400. Got a hair over 126,000 miles on it. Involved in a left front collision, which totaled it out. A lot of good parts left on this girl. I see 4 very nice OEM wheels. Some very clean doors with door moldings and mirrors. Nice fog lights on the front here. Passenger headlight, I thought it was good, but I see a broken tab there. We've got the 1UZ FE, which we are going to be selling as a swap. That'll get you the motor, belt-driven accessories, ECU, harness, and the key setup. I know you're going to need a key on one of these to make them run. Passenger fender is nice and rust-free. We'll get that listed for sale. Take a look at this hood, though. It's in great shape, too. I see one big ding there.
I had to bend that back in.
Gotcha. Well, at least it has a nice grill for sale.
Yep. Got a couple cracks in it.
The hood is to be determined. Like I said, passenger side of the car is in great shape as well. These doors are going to be listed complete. We will have door moldings for sale on them. No door panels. Those will be sold individually. Beautiful leather seat set, which is very uncommon for one of these. The leather seems to wear heavily. We'll get those listed for sale. This guy really loved the Indianapolis Motor Speedway. Turn left.
First and last.
Can't be two number ones, that'd be 11, Ricky Bobby.
Check and bait.
Nice set of OEM taillights on this girl. Rear bumper didn't make it, as you guys saw as I was rounding the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and fire this thing up so we can take a listen to the motor. Starts right up like a Toyota should. Running very well. Go ahead and test out the transmission here. Reverse, drive. As you guys can see, the climate control all lights up, has full pixels. Radio is a Pioneer as well. It's not a Nakamashi or whatever the heck it is. Works well though. Go ahead and take a listen to that motor. I'll shut up for a second and we can end this test video. Oh, look at that, dealer battery, man. This bad boy was maintained. I hear a power steering lead. I'm guessing it's low on fluid. Other than that though, no issues. Take a look at the engine oil. Nice and clean. No blow-by. Cap has no oily milkshake on it. No issues there. All right, that is going to wrap it up for MXLS062, our 1999 Lexus LS400. Turn that off here so we don't all go for a deep slumber. If you guys are looking for any parts off this car, we're going to get them listed on our website, www.jnjautorwrecking.com. I'll leave a link down below. Or you guys can give us a call at 1-800-425-1555. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching, guys.